Red Bull has fitted fresh power units on Max Verstappen and Sergio Perez's cars for Formula One's Hungarian Grand Prix. Both Verstappen and Perez had disappointing qualifying sessions at the Hungaroring as Mercedes' George Russell took his maiden pole position. With a change in F1's regulations ahead of the British Grand Prix allowing teams to fit fresher engines, even of a different spec, during park-firm conditions after qualifying, Red Bull has elected to use the opportunity to go for its final allowed power units of the season. As this is still within their original allocation, both Verstappen and Perez can run the brand new power units without a penalty. However, it is likely that at some point in the second half of the campaign they will need to swap for another engine, which will probably trigger a grid penalty.